Hey guys, what's up? Meg here from AVO. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. So today we are at the 4-Wheel Camper factory here in Woodland, California, and I'm going to walk you guys around the showroom that they have here at the factory. Let's go check it out. Guys, this showroom is so nice. They have so many different campers here. Everything is laid out so nicely. I'm gonna walk you guys around, show you all the different camper models that they have here on display and all the different options that you can get for your camper. Check it out. Alright guys, so behind us is the new Hawk Flatbed Camper. Eric's going to walk around and show us all the stuff on this camper.
So guys, behind me is the new 4-Wheel Camper Hawk Plus, which is all new from 4-Wheel Campers and has a whole bunch of new design features and options available to flatbed customers. We've had a lot of inquiries on this from our current flatbed customers looking to upgrade. And you'll see, actually, if you follow me inside the camper, kind of what's different. Outside of some things on the outside we'll get to here in a second, if you follow me inside, so we're inside the new Hawk Plus, where you'll see the biggest difference in size, right? Because this is about 6 inches longer than the traditional Hawk flatbed. Is that space is divided between this dinette and the kitchen cabinetry here, like this countertop. So we do have a longer dinette than the current Hawk. Standard Hawk, and then we have more counter space, which you can definitely see when you're sitting inside here. To my left, you'll see the induction stove available from 4-Wheel. That's available because this has so many lithium batteries, and actually this has 3 lithium batteries we'll show you here in a second, but you can add even more from 4-Wheel on this, which is awesome. In addition to that too, you go from 20 gallons of water to 40 gallons of water in the Hawk Plus too, which is a lot of customers have been asking for more onboard water for these longer trips they're taking and stuff. So you're doubling the standard tank size. Other things that I see here is, and of course this one doesn't have the AC from the factory, but it has 2 powered vent fans. You'll see down below that this has the factory installed inverter as well. When you have the factory installed inverter, you can use that 110 receptacle on the outside of the camper too, remote, which is really cool. So you can plug in different devices from the outside of the camper. But overall, when you sit inside this camper, in addition to the black and the bamboo, which is the best mix with this cushion right here, you just have a lot more space than you see in your, because we've had a Hawk flatbed on our Ram, and this is a pretty massive interior space. They've done a great job with it. So guys, and under this compartment here are 362 amp hour Expion lithium batteries, which is crazy. And you can add even more from the factory. And in addition, this also has a ton of solar. It's got 4 solar panels on top too. So it's got a lot of solar on top to support these batteries, which is great if you have the inverter, if you have the AC, induction cooktops, and all this kind of stuff. Like, that's excellent for running these type of accessories remotely. So really exciting upgrades to the Hawk Plus. One of the exciting new features, guys, is the exterior storage solution on the Hawk Plus, where you can be able to basically access your gear from the outside of the camper. This is all the storage underneath the rear dinette, so you're just able to access that from the outside, which is really, really cool. A lot of customers have wanted this kind of stuff for a long time. 4-Wheel Campers listening to them and adding this, and of course you have all the cool new power ports outside, USB-C, USB. This does have the factory inverter, so you can actually plug in those type of devices from the outside of the camper off of the 12-volt batteries. And then you have your port for your Starlink Mini or Starlink, and of course you can turn that on right from here. That's what that new little switch is. If you follow me around here, you can see the thickness of the cab over compartment, which means that when you see this on the cab over, and it's not the thinner kind of style, that means you have the cab over storage, and you'll see that a lot on slide-ins. All the flatbeds have that. If you follow me around here, you'll actually see, for my 4-Wheel Camper customers out there, how thick the wiring in the Anderson is on this camper versus the other flatbeds and other slide-ins. That is because of how much more charge and power that this has on board versus a regular Hawk flatbed. And then over here, this just indicates this is actually a a port to drain into a gray water tank on a flatbed. So that's what we would integrate down, and that's what this storage compartment is. We have our water fill for our 40-gallon tank, our city hookup, our furnace and hot water heater, drain for the sink, exhaust for the furnace, outside shower hookup, venting for the fridge, our propane hookup right here as well, and then portable solar on the receptacle on the side of the camper too.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about anything four-wheel camper, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@AshevilleVehicleOutfitters.com, or you can call us at 844-667-3687. All right, bye, guys.